For the first step in this tutorial, we are going to curve with tool axis control oriented to a point. Curve 5-axis can create a 3-axis, 4-axis, or 5-axis toolpath along a 3D curve or along one or all edges of a surface. With that being said, come down to the bottom and select Levels. And make sure that Level 4 is visible if you imported your image and it didn't have this. Select Toolpaths again. Come up to the top and select Toolpaths tab up here, and select Curve. Mastercam will ask us to insert a new NC name. I'm going to leave mine as tutorial number 6 and select OK. Select Toolpath type and make sure that Curve is selected. Come down here and select Tool. Select Library Tool and Filter. Under Toolpath types, make sure that the flat end mill is selected and you have a tool diameter equal to 0.0625 or 1/16. Select OK and grab your tool here. Select OK once more. Insert the comment, curve 5-axis with tool axis control to point. Once you have your comment in place, come over to the left-hand side and select Cut Pattern. Make sure the curve type is 3D Curves and select Points here. Select this window and come down to the options. Select Color and make sure color number 9 or the dark blue color is the only one selected. Select OK. And select OK once more. Come over to the graphics window and right click and select Top. Create your window around the geometry. Sketch an approximate start point. We need to sketch this point around here. Once you have this done, select OK. Ensure that these fields align with that of your Mastercam training tutorial. Mine do. Come over to the left-hand side and select Tool Axis Control. Under Tool Axis Control here needs to be changed to Point, and we'll select one as well. Select right-click, and then select Isometric View. If you're having a hard time finding the point here, simply come to the bottom right-hand side and wireframe it. You can see a light blue X here. Select that point. Once you have that done, make sure your angle increment is set to 8 and hit Enter on your keyboard. On the left-hand side, select Collision Control. Make sure that the vector depth here is listed at -0.35 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once you have this done, again, make sure that all this aligns to that of your Mastercam book. On the left-hand side, select Linking. We need to change the clearance to 5. The retract needs to be 4. And the feed plane needs to be 0.25. And hit Enter on your keyboard. Once this is done, select OK. Mastercam will generate the toolpath. Once the toolpath has been generated, come up to the top and select Backplot, Verify Options, and make sure Stock Setup is selected. Select OK. Also, select Backplot. Under the Backplot dialog box, select Options, Display Vectors, and change the length to 0.5 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Select OK when done and hit the play button on the backplot. Your backplot should look as shown. Select OK, come down to the bottom and shade it again, and then come up to the upper left-hand corner here and toggle your toolpath display.